Welcome back to San Antonio Living. This morning, Dr. Jeneby is joining us to give us the latest on some of the hot new products in the market when it comes to plastic surgery and taking care of yourself. It's good to see you.
Nice seeing you again.
I'm excited. We were talking in the break, and I found out about something that can actually help shrink my neck, but you're going to have to wait to hear about that, because first, we have got to talk about some charity outreach that you're doing, because not only have you been here in San Antonio for a long time, you know, you're a well-trusted plastic surgeon, you've decided to give back to the community, and you're doing something different every month for a different charity. Yeah,
we called this year as the year of the monthly charity give back, and of course we're always with the Family Violence Prevention Center. I do the free reconstructions for them, but this month is St. PJ's Foster Home. We're throwing a pizza party with Big Lou's Pizza.
Wow, that's awesome.
And then we're doing Susan G. Komen. And we have one a month, and it's on the website.
It's so easy to sit back in your office and deal with, you know, patients all day long. But it's another thing to get out into the community and do some good work. So I think that's awesome that you're doing that. Congratulations.
Nice. Yes.
Now let's talk a little bit about taking care of ourselves. We're going to talk first about breast augmentation. What's the latest? What are people coming to you for?
Now that I've been doing the adjustable breast implants, which allows you to adjust the size up to 6 months with a temporary device under the skin. You don't see it, you don't really feel it, but people love it because there's no breast remorse.
I was going to say a lot, and you might be like, what? That's crazy. But sometimes you come out of surgery and you go, whoa, I should have decided to go with the smaller ones, or whoa,
bigger ones.
I need to come back for
bigger ones.
This alleviates that, because you can make the decision right there.
Yes, and people don't really understand. They see celebs on TV, and then one of their friends may have gotten this type of implant, but this allows you to be customized. It's custom.
It is custom. Basically. Everyone wants to have custom things these days. I like that. Let's talk a little bit about Smart Lipo, because this is, you sent us some before and after pictures, and it's pretty amazing, the difference here. I cannot believe that difference was done with lipo.
Yeah, and of course diet and exercise. I'm a big fan of, I send people to dietitians and make sure that they're on the right course, because you're going to be paying a lot of money. Might as well get your best investment. Wow, and so that's
something that you can do in the office, and it works on all different spots. It's not just the stomach area.
Right.
Okay, very cool. We also have to talk about Spa Black, because if you're not ready to take that step into plastic surgery, but you want to keep the age that you have right now, you can take a little trip out to Spa Black, because you've got some really good procedures in there that are non-invasive. And we got to talk about this new one, Viora. Okay.
Spa Black is a creation we did in the same building.
Okay.
It has now 5 estheticians who are probably some of the best in the city. We've recruited them. And Viora is basically radio frequency energy, no downtime, works on the neck, on cellulite, medial thighs, arms. It's really kind of it's the newest machine out there.
So it can get rid of some of the flab on my
sagginess. So you're not that flab.
I have a little flab right here that I can't get rid of. But these are the kind of things that women are looking for. A lot of them aren't ready to go under the knife. And so this is an alternative. It's called Viora, and you can get it at Spa Black. Now, when patients are researching a plastic surgeon, what kind of questions should they ask you?
The basic question is, let me make sure you're board certified.
Okay.
And now we have to recertify every 10 years, which I'm doing, because now I'm at my 10-year mark.
Okay.
The second is, do you have privileges at operating at a normal facility, like a hospital? Even though I have an in-house Joint Commission accredited center, I still have privileges to operate on every hospital in the city.
Okay.
If you go to a place and they don't have privileges, they don't have... That's probably not somebody you want to go to.
Okay, great information. Now, just to kind of get the ball rolling this morning, Dr. Jeneby has a special offer for some of our living viewers. What do you have?
All right, so the first 10 callers are going to get a free Viora treatment on a small area of their face. But it's only 10. So you
Everyone's running out of the studio.
So everybody's calling. I kind of already planted a few over there. To some of the guests, they were already hitting me up.
I know, everyone's excited. Well, this sounds great. Again, the first 10 callers that call Dr. That's it, just 10. That call Dr. Jeneby will go ahead and get a Viora little
treatment around the mouth for the sagginess. Little treatment, little touch up
for you. You can find Dr. Jeneby at the Plastic and Cosmetic Center of South Texas and Spa Black. They're out on Wurzbach Road. For more information, go to beautybyjeneby.com or call the number that you see on your screen. It's 270-8595. Again, 270-8595. And before we go, got to let you know what's coming up a little bit later on the Dr. Oz Show. Dr. Oz is going to talk about getting older. We've got details on that. At 3 o'clock, it's time for the doctors. The doctors and the Center for Disease Control and Prevention reveal the top tips for flu season. That's at 3 o'clock here on 4WOAI, and we'll be right back.